All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. And this S650 got some goodies. Stage 2 Whipple, you guys saw this on the channel previously. It was essentially a stock S650 Mustang with just a Whipple on. Oh my goodness. Stock catback, stock headers, stock pulley that comes with the kit. Everything was stock. Now it's a completely different animal. It has the 3.25 pulley on here. It has a booster pump. It has 2-inch long tube headers, catless. It has a full catback exhaust as well. It's on a full well drag pack. So it literally went from 700 horsepower to 900 essentially overnight. Top Built Performance hooked it up. We're about to go ahead and get a first startup and get the car aligned and, you know, get a test drive, ride along. This is legitimately what I would do with my S650 if I were to go ahead and get a 10-speed, which this car is probably going to seal the deal because there's no way that it's going to feel anywhere remotely close to the MT82. Like, this is going to be light years faster. All right, get that startup. Way louder, for sure. Let's focus from the headers. First startup has Cook's 2-inch long tube headers, catless, full exhaust, has full Steeda suspension. Like, it's a completely different car now. This car has like 1,000 miles on it. Went from 700 to 900 horsepower. Jesus. All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully you guys are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever time it may be. Finished work up early today, so we are going to be headed out to a little late night car meet. Tuesday taco session. I'm not eating those street tacos, I'll tell you that right now. I'm going to be regretting that in about 2 hours if I do. So we'll see what type of cars are up there. Should be a pretty decent meet. I need to get the car detailed because it hasn't been cleaned or washed in well over a month. And on top of that, we just hit a little road trip to Dallas, so the car is extra dirty, but that means it's driven. If you guys enjoy the content on the channel, we go to these little late night car meets. Maybe we go to Mexico. Highly doubt it though. And to be fair, I don't need to be going to Mexico because the clutch is acting up. Make sure you drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those post notifications. It's crazy because, like, this is definitely not a cruiser car because of the exhaust, or I should say lack of exhaust, but you know, I love it. I love it. It adds to the character. It sounds too good at Watt to go ahead and put the catback back on. I'll tell you that right now. It sounds way too good at Watt. Looks like we're going to be hitting some traffic too, and it's 9 o'clock. Meet started at 8:30. We'll pull up around like 9:30. Apparently it's going to 11:30. I never like to pull up to these meets as soon as they start, just because you never know if it's going to be lit or not. I'd rather pull up like right in the middle when everybody's pulling up, so I'm not like waiting around for cars to pull up and stuff like that. I like to pull up right when the action is starting. So we're about to hit some traffic. I already know that for a fact. I'll catch up with y'all if somebody pulls up, even though I highly doubt it. don't think I've actually been to this spot, believe it or not. That guy kind of tripped me out for a second. I'm like, ain't no way. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in a little bit.
One eternity later.
All right, so we're about to pull up. I might have actually been to this location. It's just that I forgot about it because the last time I was at this location was in the Shelby GT350, and obviously I haven't been out to late night car meets in over a month because I wasn't in the Shelby GT350. So I'm pretty sure I've been here before. I don't think it's a U-turn. Is this spot a U-turn? No, it's not. There should be like right up here, I think. Or am I? Oh no, I'm really wrong. I actually don't think I've been here before. Y'all saw how all messed up that road was. Wait, maybe I have been here. Shit, maybe I have. Are people at this station over here? No, they're not. Maybe I have been to this location before. Oh, it's blocked off. I can't go. Oh, okay. Oh, well, I guess I'll pop a U-turn. Yeah, I was wrong. Let's see what we got here. Yellow C7Z06. Imagine, both in the garage. That actually would be a badass lineup though, I ain't gonna lie. That would be a crazy lineup. Both yellow. Thinking about it now, I don't think I actually have been to this spot. It's not really familiar. Or maybe everybody was parked at the gas station last time. That might have been what was going down. Cause I never parked in this area before, I'll tell you that. Chevy SS on some wells over here. Oh shit. Why do I feel like I raced that car in the S650 like a couple weeks ago? Like I'm almost positive I actually ran into that car. Somebody's alarm going off. This is pretty sick right here. Is this a Celica? I think this is a Celica. Yeah. My mom used to have one of these, believe it or not. And she hates cars. I'm like, where the hell did the Celica go? She still had that shit, but you best believe I'd be driving that as well. This would be a sick daily, I ain't gonna lie. And it's a right-hand drive Celica too. I can't believe my mom actually had a Celica at one point. She obviously didn't know what type of car that was. She had it. Oh shit, thank you. I ain't paying attention. V-locks, and it's got a parachute. Oh shit. I've seen this car before. This is clean though. That shit clean as hell. The polished wheels. Alright, back at the casa. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, especially that teaser with the 900 horsepower Whipple Supercharged S650. The owner is coming back for some revenge, let me tell you that. So we're gonna go ahead and get that first drive and probably take it to Mexico very, very soon. Since it is the beginning of the month, there's a lot of supercar meets going down, and I think it'd be pretty cool to try to go ahead and test the Shelby GT350 out against a couple supercars. So I'm gonna try to make that happen within the next couple of days, depending on the weather. So if you guys are excited for the content, feel free, drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Stay safe out there, y'all. Deuces.